Hello everyone and welcome in our new video. In today's video we are again gonna learn some really awesome stuff and how to make it in an origami way. Firstly, we have a sunflower, which is a really colorful one. The second one we are gonna learn is how to make a really beautiful umbrella with a paper only. We are gonna follow the steps as shown in the video. It is a really good toy for kids and the umbrella is ready. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we are gonna use a cup to make this one. We are gonna learn how to make a fan with a cup. It revolves by wind. It is a really good toy for kids. Firstly, we'll draw the blades and then the stick of it. Moving on to the next origami stuff of today's video, we are gonna learn how to make a cloud who is raining really several different colors. It's a really cute one. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we are gonna learn how to make a watermelon on a stick. It is a big watermelon. It is a really easy one to make. It is a cute one and it is a suitable one for kids to play with. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we are going to learn how to make a tap for juice and other fluids like waters, etc. We will draw an elephant's nose and here is the ready. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we are going to learn how to make a cute toy by which kids can play with water. Moving forward to the next one, we will again learn a toy by which kids can play with water which always goes to the upwards. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we are gonna learn again how to make a hand which is made of plastic and is full of air. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we are gonna learn how to make a cloud again, who is again raining different colors, which is a really huge and beautiful one. It is a really cute one. It is made for kids by which they can play with. We are gonna follow the steps as shown in the video and the cloud is ready. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we are going to learn how to make a pen or pencil stand in which we can keep many stuff we want. We will follow these steps by the papers we are using here as shown in the video and the pen stand is ready. Moving forward to the last one of today's video, we are gonna learn how to make again an umbrella. This is a really cute umbrella. We are gonna follow the steps as it is shown in the video. We will make this type of several papers and then we'll make the stick and the umbrella, as we can see, is ready. Thank you for watching the video.